for Fairfax, Virginia, Josh Duangmanee.
Josh ranked 130th against David Ford, ranked number 1. This is going to be a big match here.
No doubt. Duangmanee yesterday really provided a bolt of energy hanging in his match.
Got the driver here. You can see he's set up to hit a fade there, working up that left side.
Oh my God.
He's overcooked that a bit, and that's going to catch the heavy stuff.
And this can work one of two ways. Certainly, you'd hate to say that anyone that plays David Ford is going to lose. Obviously, an opportunity to really shock the world and give your team a ton of energy. But you just can't make many mistakes against David Ford. Par is probably going to be his worst hole of the day. So he's a tactician out there.
He is. I don't know if you can make any mistakes against David Ford, because he's not going to make any.
And currently number 1 on PGA Tour U. Can he hold off Brendan Valdez over the next month and get that tour? The big lefty slinging it out to the left. Does it
Looks
have
like
enough
it's hanging
comeback?
out there. We'll see. Yep, brought it back, but he's going to be in the rough also, but a better position than the heavy stuff.
Yeah, so both guys missing the fairway.